Diagnosing and treating plant ailments can be a rewarding process for gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike. It begins with careful observation, sharp detective work, and a bit of horticultural know-how. Let us embark on this journey by first understanding the vital signs of a distressed plant. When your plant appears unwell, the initial step is to look for visible symptoms. Discoloration is one of the most common indicators. Yellowing leaves may signify a lack of essential nutrients such as nitrogen, while browning edges might suggest underwatering or salt buildup. Wilting, on the other hand, can occur from either too much or too little water. Therefore, it's crucial to also examine the plant's environment and care routine, considering factors like sunlight exposure, watering schedule, and soil condition. Next, inspect the leaves, stems, and soil up close. Holes in leaves or chewed edges might indicate pest infestations. Look for insects like aphids, spider mites, or caterpillars hiding underneath leaves. Fungal infections such as powdery mildew often appear as white or grayish patches on leaves, while bacterial spots may look like water-soaked lesions. Examine the soil for signs of root rot, which often emits a musty odor or presents with mushy roots. Once the problem is identified, the next step is treatment. For nutrient deficiencies, providing appropriate fertilizers can replenish the soil. A balanced fertilizer can remedy most deficiencies, but a soil test can offer detailed insights for precise correction. When dealing with pests, natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap can be effective. They are environmentally friendly and safer alternatives to chemical pesticides. For severe infestations, removing heavily affected parts and introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs might be necessary. Fungal and bacterial diseases require different approaches. Fungicides can manage fungal diseases like powdery mildew. However, ensure to follow the application instructions carefully to prevent plant damage. Bacterial infections are trickier. Pruning diseased sections and improving air circulation around the plant can help mitigate the spread. It's essential to sterilize pruning tools to avoid further contamination. Prevention, as the saying goes, is better than cure. Regular maintenance is vital to keeping your plants healthy. This includes proper watering and sunlight, regular pruning, and the occasional health check for early signs of distress. Implementing these practices not only aids in sustaining plant health, but also enhances your understanding of their unique needs. In conclusion, diagnosing and treating plant ailments is as much about understanding your plants as it is about applying solutions. By observing carefully, identifying symptoms, and providing appropriate treatments, you can transform ailing plants into thriving, vibrant specimens. It's a continuous learning experience that deepens the bond between gardener and garden, reminding us that with patience and the right care, every plant has the potential to flourish.